Okay, students, so this would be your first unknown in experiment 9. I have the 2D structure on the left and the 3D structure on the right. So you can see, I'll also put a picture of it with a molecular model kit, but you'll see the electron or molecular geometry of this central atom. It has 4 electron groups. All of them are atoms. The one thing that I want to talk about in particular for this program MolView, if you use it, is notice that on the chlorines, it omits the Lewis, and it's not like the Lewis dot structure where it's showing lone pairs. So it omits the lone pairs. So make sure when you're drawing your Lewis dot structures in your lab that you don't forget to omit those lone pairs. So each chlorine should have 3 lone pairs, so 6 more electrons to satisfy the octet. But this is the unknown number 1, and you can tell me what the molecular geometry is, draw the Lewis dot structure, and tell me the total number of valence electrons. Okay, thanks.